Tauni-ini ya Kutus ni arigitani aya makubangite kwambiriria Mururungano wao nginyagia wabici-ini cia ngabana Waiguru. No na matambiriirie thabari yao, maabithaa borithi mauma cemba gutigirira gutiri kundu maguthie. Arigitani aya mahinyiriria ni kihoto kiao, noguo gutiri mundu ungimagiririria. Na haha borithi matiuma na undu ungi otiga kumahamurithia na ndogo ya kuruta maithori. Aria mauma Mururungano-ini uyu ona aria matakuĩ uhoro waguo othe mekora hatĩka-inĩ imwe. Onjoria makiuga onao magukoragwo nduka-inĩ ciao.
Kiko na hiyo kitu hapa alafu tukaingia tukajifungia huko na makastoma wetu wale tulikuwa tunasafu.
Wameenda pesa?
Kuna wewe wameenda hata wanja tulipa.
Anything wrong. We have not done anything wrong. We have not attacked anyone. But our rights are being infringed upon.
Arigitani aya ni mamenereirie giko giki makiuga matiuma na uru na mundu na kwoguo borithi matiuma na gitumi kiiganu gia kumahamurithia.
We are health workers fighting for better health service delivery in this county. How can they injure us? How can they use tear gas on us? We have done all this procession, not even one property was damaged. What was their use to use excessive force on health workers?
Mahinyiriirie uyu ti undu wa gutuma maguague na no maguthie na mbere na gwetha kihoto kiao na makiria gutigirira ikari a Kirinyaga ni maheo motungata makinyaniru ma urigitani.
When impunity prevails, defiance is the only weapon. Tutiracoka thutha tugwetia kihoto gitu na omani ati gutire mundu we above the law.
We are going back to do what? We went back. We were given show cause letters. We were told that our jobs have been taken. Which hospital do they want us to go and work in?
Ni thiku 29 riu kuma riria arigitani a Kirinyaga magomire na gutiga ikari na kigiriko gia gucaria motungata ma urigitani thibitari-ini cia andu kiumbe kana magathie nginya kaunti ingi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.